What do home buyers and sellers have in common? They're both on the fence. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Let's start with sellers. While the number of homes on the market is now starting to reach pre-pandemic levels, there were actually slightly fewer homes for sale during February compared with January. And those homes are sitting on the market longer. No surprise, concerns about high interest rates are one reason why buyers are on the fence, and sales activity, while up from January, is still well below last February. Here's the local perspective, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale, mixed. Fewer on the market in Alameda, Berkeley, San Leandro, and Union City, but more everywhere else. Prices down everywhere. Alameda 1.1, Castro Valley 1.07, and San Leandro 778, all down more than 20%. Sales, with the exception of Alameda and Newark, down everywhere. Next is West Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, down almost everywhere. El Cerrito and Hercules both dropped more than 40%. Prices, down almost everywhere too. San Pablo, under 500,000, down more than 30%. Sales, also down almost everywhere. El Cerrito and San Pablo, more than 50% fewer sales. Let's go to Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, over the hill it's a different story. More choices for buyers almost everywhere. Walnut Creek 27 for sale, up 125%. Prices mostly down. Walnut Creek 1.48, down 12%. Sales also down almost everywhere. Clayton only 4 sold, Walnut Creek just 14 sold. Lafayette, Moraga, and Orinda are up next. Homes for sale mixed. Orinda 14 for sale, up 75%. Prices mixed. Lafayette and Orinda both down. Moraga 2.6 way up. Sales down everywhere. Just 1 home sold in Moraga. Let's check out the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale mixed. Big increases in Alamo, Danville, and Pleasanton. Prices down everywhere. Danville 1.9 down 20%. Sales down everywhere. Alamo just 4 sold. Dublin 14 sold, down 50%. San Ramon down almost 60%. We'll wrap it up in the Delta. Homes for sale up everywhere. Brentwood 104, double from last February. Prices down everywhere. Brentwood 755, Pittsburgh 565. Sales. More homes on the market didn't mean more sales. Antioch, Brentwood, and Discovery Bay all down more than 40%. Last thought. Compared with January, there are about 300 more pending sales during February. So buyers may be hopping off that fence. We'll see you next month.